Hi, it's Yuki. Today's video, I'll be unboxing a gimbal, the MozaMiniP, a hybrid and lightweight gimbal. Mind you, this is my first gimbal ever, so I'm really excited to finally own one. By the way, I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This will help me stay motivated in creating more videos. Alright, without further ado, let's unbox! First off, look at this neat looking box with a handle. This is the EPP bag. So basically this is an actual carrying case for the gimbal, which is interesting because you don't need to buy a new case. There's a latch on front. Let's unlock. Lock. Unlock. I'm enjoying this. Ta-da! There's your setup. Now let's take them all out of the box. First, we have user manual, cables. We have the MCSC multi-cable and a charging cable, a Type-C charging cable. Next, an L bracket where camera can sit in. You can shoot horizontally or vertically. Next, a mount for the smartphone with a good capacity for size phone cameras. It's made of plastic. And the gimbal itself. It also comes along with a little tripod, and just like the mount for smartphones, it's made of plastic. Okay, let's get more acquainted with the gimbal. MozaMiniP is compatible with multiple devices. That's right, you can use it with smartphones, action cameras, compact, and lightweight cameras. This little guy here has a maximum payload of 1.98 pounds, which is almost 2 pounds of weight. Really perfect for lightweight cameras, just like Sony ZV-1, which I will try to mount later after I try to unlock. Also, this gimbal can last up to 20 hours running time, which is quite a long time. Moving on to the buttons and ports. It has a little zoom rocker on this side, T for zooming in and W for zooming out. We have a directional joystick, a charging port, a terminal to plug into a camera. And we also have here a battery level indicator. You will also notice stickers. So instruction stickers, there's one here, there's another here. Now let's unlock and try to balance the gimbal. So first you have to slide this here and rotate the handle 180 degrees counterclockwise. Oops, gosh, it's so hard. Oh, yay. There we go. I'm gonna attach this one first. love how light and feels good this gimbal in the hand. It weighs 1.5 pounds, pretty light. What can I say? This is a great gimbal, tiny and mighty. Cross-platform stabilizer, can shoot for a long time, and best budget. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on what you think of MozaMiniP. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!